Welcome back to Online Tools Master, your go-to channel for quick and easy online tools. Today we're diving into the binary bit inverter, a simple yet powerful tool that flips the bits in any binary value. Let's get started. To use this tool, open your web browser and search www.onlinetools.com/binary. This will take you directly to the binary bit inverter tool where you can instantly flip binary values. A binary bit inverter swaps zeros with ones and ones with zeros in binary numbers. This simple bitwise operation is incredibly useful in computing, cryptography, and digital logic. Best of all, it's free, with no ads, pop-ups, or distractions. Just enter your binary data, and the tool instantly inverts every bit. Let's see it in action. Here we enter binary value and the tool instantly flips each bit, giving us invert binary value. Simple and effective. This tool also works with multiple binary values. Just paste them line by line, and each number gets inverted instantly. It's fast, efficient, and super easy to use. No installation needed, it runs in your browser. Instant results, no waiting, no lag. Perfect for developers, students, and engineers. If you found this tool useful, check out our videos on generate random hex numbers and reverse binary numbers. Great additions to your binary toolkit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more amazing online tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.